喺 BC 省，每一日約有6個人因為毒品中毒而喪生。藥物過量可能發生喺任何地方。呢一條片，我哋將會向你展示如何進行急救。如果你認為有人服藥過量，請撥打911。喺加拿大，只要你打電話求助並留喺現場，有一項法律保護你免於因持有少量毒品而被起訴。喺我哋開始之前，等我哋一齊了解乜嘢係鴉片類藥物。鴉片類藥物係強效止痛藥，醫生有時會喺手術之後或劇烈疼痛時使用，例如嗎啡同可待因。好多咳藥水入面都含有可待因。有啲人都會使用海洛因或芬太尼等街頭毒品，呢啲都係鴉片類藥物。由於語言障礙同埋唔公平嘅制度，好多移民同埋少數族裔群體更難獲得幫助。喺 BC 省亞裔社區，因為鴉片類藥物導致嘅死亡人數增加咗250%以上。如何識別過量用藥？藥物過量嘅症狀包括呼吸緩慢或者冇呼吸，瞳孔極細、冰冷或者發青嘅皮膚，窒息時發出奇怪嘅聲音，難以喚醒。你亦可能留意到附近會有藥丸或者針頭。
What's up, bro? Yo, Gavin. He's not taking breath. What should I do?
Gavin. So what's his name?
Gavin. His name is Gavin.
His name is Gavin. Okay, what did he take?
I saw
Okay,
he's
just
taking-
put that over there,
okay,
right?
no worries.
Okay, and just take a step back.
Sure.
I'm just gonna check his breathing.
Should I call
Hey,
911?
Gavin, can you hear me? Gavin, can you hear me? Okay, I'm gonna open his airway, and I'm just gonna check his breathing. 1,
Gavin.
2, 3, 4, 5. There's no breathing.
Should
So
I
I
call
want you to call 911.
Sure.
Tell them there is one unconscious casualty right here, that they took a substance that is unknown,
Oh my God.
and I'm gonna give them naloxone.
Sure.
Okay, just report
Sure.
back to me.
Yeah, sure.
Okay. So Gavin, can you hear me one more time? Gavin, can you hear me? Checking this breathing one more time. There's no breathing. All right, I'm gonna get my naloxone kit. I'm gonna put on gloves.
「首先，將面罩放喺傷者嘅面上，俾傷者2次人工呼吸，確保胸部隨之起伏。呢個係我嘅納樂同急救包。呢度我會攞出一啲裝住注射液嘅玻璃樽，每一個玻璃樽含有0.4毫克嘅納樂酮。呢個係我嘅注射器。呢度有酒精濕紙巾，我哋將會用佢嚟測試注射部位嘅局部區域。首先，我要搖下個樽，確保藥物位於一側，然後將佢打開。我將用注射器提取藥物，確保所有藥物都喺注射器入面。然後我會將注射器調轉，排出入面所有空氣。用手指拍打針筒，消除任何氣泡。然後我會揾出身體入面一個肌肉部位，例如手臂、大腿或者臀部， 將針頭以90度完全插入肌肉組織，然後我會繼續進行人工呼吸。請確保所有針頭都放入一個專門放針頭嘅容器入面。如果無法使用肌肉納洛酮，請使用鼻內噴霧劑，輕輕咁將頭部向後傾斜，然後將噴嘴插入鼻孔，用力按壓噴嘴，確保給予全部劑量。如果冇脈搏，立刻開始心肺復甦術。用力按壓胸部中央，以每分鐘100至120次嘅頻率進行30次胸外按壓，然後進行2次人工呼吸，確保按壓深度至少為2英寸，持續進行急救，直至救援人員抵達。
Hey, it's okay. It's okay. You just had an overdose. So I gave you 0.4 milligrams of naloxone. The ambulance is called and they're coming right away. So just stay calm and relax right now.